In the wake of the global shift towards remote work, fueled by technological advancements and changing societal norms, more individuals than ever before are embracing the flexibility and freedom that comes with working remotely. From digital nomads to stay-at-home parents and freelancers, remote work offers a unique opportunity to balance lifestyle preferences with financial goals. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the intersection of remote work and financial freedom, examining strategies for achieving a harmonious balance between lifestyle and income. Whether you're a seasoned remote worker or considering making the transition, this guide will provide valuable insights and practical tips to help you thrive in the remote work landscape. Understanding remote work, a paradigm shift in employment. Remote work, also known as telecommuting or telework, refers to the practice of working outside of a traditional office environment, often from home or a location of choice. Enabled by advancements in technology, such as high-speed internet, cloud computing, and collaboration tools, remote work has become increasingly prevalent across industries and sectors. This shift has been accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic, which forced many organizations to adopt remote work arrangements to ensure business continuity and employee safety. The benefits of remote work: lifestyle flexibility and financial independence. One of the primary appeals of remote work is the flexibility it offers in terms of lifestyle and work-life balance. Remote workers have the freedom to design their work environment according to their preferences, whether it's working from home, a co-working space, or a beachside cafe. This flexibility allows individuals to tailor their work schedules around personal commitments, such as caring for family members, pursuing hobbies, or traveling the world as digital nomads. Balancing lifestyle and income. Strategies for success. While remote work offers numerous benefits, achieving a balance between lifestyle preferences and income generation requires careful planning and intentionality. Here are some strategies to help you navigate the complexities of remote work and achieve financial freedom. 1. Set clear boundaries. Establish clear boundaries between work and personal life to prevent burnout and maintain a healthy balance. Define designated work hours, create a dedicated workspace, and communicate your availability to colleagues and clients to ensure uninterrupted productivity and leisure time. 2. Prioritize income streams. Diversify your sources of income by exploring freelance opportunities, side hustles, or passive income streams, such as investments or royalties. Having multiple income streams can provide financial security and flexibility, allowing you to weather economic fluctuations and pursue opportunities that align with your interests and skills. 3. Budget and save wisely. Develop a budget that reflects your income, expenses, and savings goals, and adhere to it diligently. Track your spending, prioritize essential expenses, and allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments to build wealth over time. Take advantage of financial tools and resources, such as budgeting apps, retirement accounts, and investment platforms to optimize your financial strategy and achieve long-term prosperity. Remote work offers a pathway to financial freedom and lifestyle design, enabling individuals to pursue their passions, explore new opportunities, and create meaningful connections from anywhere in the world. By embracing the principles outlined in this guide and adopting a proactive and intentional approach to remote work, you can empower yourself to thrive in the remote work landscape and design a life that brings you joy, fulfillment, and financial prosperity.